musculoskeletal is the penetrating hip first. It is the flexor of shoulder. Then comes to the biceps. It will have two heads, short head, long head. Short head is on the medial side, long head is on the lateral side. It is fusiform muscle. Okay, its lower end inserted on the radial tuberosity. It also gives an extension that is called the bicipital appendices that separate the brachial artery from median cubital vein. Biceps help in the flexion as well as supination. Its long head also stable the head of humerus. Okay. Then below you will see the muscle brachialis muscle. Brachialis takes anterior lateral and anterior medial, but distal side. It is inserted on the coronoid process of the ulna on its anterior surface. In between biceps and brachialis, you will see the nerve that is this nerve is the musculocutaneous. It comes after penetrating brachialis. Okay. Then we have noticed median nerve. Median nerve is first lateral to brachial artery, then it comes medial to brachial artery. In the cubital fossa, it comes medial to, by crossing it comes medial to brachial artery. Okay, brachial artery के medial है, median nerve. ठीक है. Third we have noticed the nerve ulnar nerve. Ulnar nerve is first medial to brachial artery, then after penetrating medial intermuscular septum, it comes in the posterior part behind the medial epicondyle. Okay. Then fourth nerve we have noticed the radial nerve. Radial is first posterior, then it comes in the anterior side. It passes along the spiral groove. Okay. It comes in between brachialis muscle and brachioradialis. It gives sensory branches to the brachialis muscle. So brachialis muscle is hybrid muscle. It is supplied by the musculocutaneous as well as from the some fibers from the radial nerve. In the back of our arm, we have noticed only one muscle, that is the triceps. It will have lateral head, long head, and medial head. Long head take origin from the infraglenoid tubercle, lateral head above the spiral groove, and it will middle head is hidden by these heads. Medial head lies below the spiral groove. They will get inserted on the posterior surface of the polyclinic process of the ulna, posterior and posterior surface of the. Some fibers get attached with the capsule of the shoulder joint that prevent the nipping of the capsule of the shoulder joint in between articular surface. Triceps also help in the extension of the elbow joint. As the long head of triceps also prevent the in abduction and inferior dislocation of the head of humerus. That is all about the arm of the section of the arm. We have seen all the structures of the arm.